Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. O'Mara. We are on Module 2, Lesson 16. I first want to say thank you for working incredibly hard on these lessons. A lot of times they are not easy, and you have been proving us right that we know you can do it. So let's keep going. So here's our application problem. This is what we call a standard algorithm. As a review, we're going to look at just composing a larger unit. And we only have to add once. So let's look. Josh's apple weighs 93 grams. His pear weighs 152 grams. What is the total weight of the apple and the pear? Okay, did you just say to yourself, oh, piece of cake, that's easy. Okay, it's just because it's larger numbers and the unit is in grams, don't let anything confuse you. It could be anything, but we're weighing in grams, and so it says all together. So what would your tape diagram look like, first of all, if we are going to add these? You are correct. If you said, I'm going to make this one a little smaller, this would be 93 grams. And this side would be 152 grams. And remember, I want the total amount, okay? All right, so let's just add it together. Now, one thing we've been noticing is that you have not been lining up your numbers correctly. Your places need to be under the correct value, okay? So if I have 152, let's look at that number. Ones, tens, hundreds. I cannot put 93 over here because the 3 in 93 is a 1 in the 1, so that's 3 ones, 2 ones. The 5 is 5 tens, and in the number 93 is 9 tens. If you move it over, it's going to look like you have 9 hundreds and 3 tens. So remember, we always start on the right side and work left. Even though on a piece of paper, we start on the left side and work right. Now, remember with addition, we also have to add starting in the ones. So we have 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have 5 ones. We can easily fit that. 5 plus 9, well, remember any number plus 9, take 1 off of it, 4, because you add the 1 to the 9, so that's 10 plus 4, 14. Now, cannot put 14 tens in the tens column. Now, there are 2 ways that you have learned how to regroup or carry. So I have 14. So I'm going to put my 14 down and I'm going to carry my 1. Some kids like to carry it up here. Some kids like to put it right here. Mrs. Walker has you put it on the equal sign, which would be right here. Okay? If you do it that way, that's great. You could put it there, or you could put it right up here at the top, which means you are carrying over that 10, which equals 100, okay? So you can put it down here that shows 14 tens, or you can put it up here. But you always have to remember, either place, you need to remember to add. 1 plus 1 is 2. So when we write it out, it is the total weight of the apple and pear is, oopsie, I better put that up there too, is 245 grams. And remember, that's your units. We are measuring in grams. Okay? Nice job. Impressive.